Hello. Absolutely sweltering out here today. Having some absolutely beautiful weather over here in England at the moment. Yeah, literally just off to see a stone row and a couple of little monuments up here, and then gonna camp out somewhere. Literally just a sleeping bag tonight, no tarp, no tent, nothing like that. So yeah, just gonna gaze up at the stars, enjoy that. Gonna cook up some lovely fajitas, and yeah, other than that, let's get ready to camp. Some real wildlife vibes out here. Make sure I go nice and slow, don't want to scare any of them. Let them enjoy their little monge too. The start of a stool down row. Just going to take a little potter down here. Have a look at these absolutely incredible ancient, I think Bronze Age ancient stones. Yeah, what a sight to behold. Just the thought that many moons ago you had people carving these out, putting them in place. Absolutely incredible. I mean, in comparison to modern day technology, might not seem so advanced, but when you're thinking for back then, and the fact that I did see a few of them have been repotted, but the fact that the majority of those are still standing, you know, it is a good testament to what they were capable of back then. Incredible. Stool down row. Going all the way down there, over the hill. Some beautiful old stone, or stones, should I say. Stowden Barrow House. Amazing to think how long ago this was constructed, and here we are. I'm still standing better than I ever did. Oh, would have had some views from there. Oh la 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 la. Views, wonderful views. Dun 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 dun. Oh, it's a beauty out tonight. We're at about 8:15. These are the old mining trails I mentioned about on a camp I'd done quite a few videos ago now. But yeah, these lead all the way down to the clay pits. Looking all exotic fruits out here. Going to sleep on top of this bad boy tonight. I've just hiked down to here, and I'm gonna stay either under this tree or a couple up there. Just gonna have a little look under there, see how flat it is, because basically it's too hot on top of that rock. So yeah, I need somewhere with something just shading over the top of me. I could have stayed in these forestry areas, but they're just so bushy. So yeah, I'll check back with you in a minute and let's see where I land. So I chose under these couple of trees. Now it's about time to get some food on, because I am McMarvin out here. Fajita time. Got this big pot full of chicken, peppers, onions, some salsa, bit of spice mix, some cheese, lettuce. Let's do this. Bon appetit. Gonna finish off the night with a lovely hot chocolate. Then yeah, let's give this sleeping bag a test, see how good it really is. That's what you call in the wild. Just show you that moon real quick. Looking delicious tonight. And on that note, see you in the AM. So this Hartford sleeping bag definitely gets my vote. Kept me nice and toasty. Got that sun coming through. Let's get a coffee on and make a day of it. Enjoy myself a spot of morning coffee. These camo underlayers, just in case I need to go incognito. I am a bush. And it's a farewell to this little spot. Ciao for now. So just up there you can see where I was going to stay. Would have been absolutely beaming. Snack time. Dried mango and blueberries. Lovely. There we are, just about to put a button on today, so thanks for watching. See you again.